total public beds in the
And how many
hospitals.
public beds do we have? Excuse me, sir. I'm asking the secretary. Excuse me, sir, secretary. You mean you don't know that? That's basic info.
It keeps changing because there are hospitals that increase their bed capacity by law. So the number is not
Sir,
a fixed number.
By law and actual, there are certain things that daily you have to know. And nasa fingertips mo yan. No coaching. I am testing the secretary precisely because I want to know if he's diligent on this or not. You don't have to give me the exact. You can give me a ballpark. Hindi ganun yung sistema dati. Ang sistema dati, bypass, no complication, eto yung bayad. Kung may complication, may dagdag yun. So, ngayon yung lulituin nyo kami na may complication. Kaya nga nakalagay dito, 660 to 960. I'm not proposing that you say this is 750. Kayo mismo nagsabi, 660 to 960. Etong 660 to 960, with complication to o wala?
Excuse me, but
Sir,
I think
just answer
we're
my question,
getting confused because when you start to pay for complications, that's called the fee-for-service rate. We're going away from the concept
Sir, that's not
of
what I'm
universal
talking
health
about.
coverage. By law, it should be no copay. So that's what we're going to talk about. Should there be an amount of copay, and should the copay disappear? Because insurance will always pay what its money has in the bank. You cannot just keep increasing and then ask the complications to be paid. So the fairer way to, and many systems have studied this very well. So we're following what the other countries have done.
No, that's
to have
not
a
the issue
successful
here.
UHC.
That's not the issue. The issue is what you're promising.
Averaging
Excuse me, Mr.
is
Secretary.
erroneous.
Excuse me, Mr. Secretary. You're not answering the questions I'm asking you, and we're interrupting each other. I will listen to you, you listen to me. Okay? What I'm telling you is we cannot promise people then not deliver. We cannot tell people no balance tapos may balance. That's why klinaklaro ko dito. And what I'm telling you is that even before, ang amount sa case rate, halimbawa sinabi cesarean or bypass, hindi kasama doon ang complication. So kung iniba nyo ngayon at ginagawa nyong complicated, that's up to you. But kailangan klaro yung sabihin natin sa tao. That's why I'm asking you a specific question. Etong bypass, 660 to 960 Z benefits package. Does that include kung meron complication sa kanyang bypass o wala? That's a yes or no question.
It's supposed to... Yes. Yes, it includes. Because now we're also zero balance billing.
It includes?
It includes. If they're in basic accommodation, it's included. We've discharged patients with leptospirosis from NKTI, 2 million pesos, zero. We've taken care of heart patients in heart center with complications, zero.
Sir,
so it's included in the zero balance.
You're talking about the DOH. Nililito nyo na naman kami. Ito nga 660 to 960. Di ba, PhilHealth to. So at tinatanong ko lang to, etong 660 to 960.
This is a Z benefit package.
Yes,
Z benefit package has a pre-approval. So you have to actually go to it. So the chances of having a complication are actually less. So what happens is, if there is a patient that wants to get a Z benefit package, they go to the PhilHealth, ask for a pre-approval, and then if they're approved for that Z benefit package, it will be done in a hospital that is accredited for Z benefit package.
Okay, so
not all hospitals have Z benefit packages. PhilHealth accredits them.
Yes. So, ang haba-haba, hindi mo pa rin sinagot tanong ko eh. So, if patient A goes to heart center, pre-approved, okay, walang complication, 660, no problem, babayaran, di ba? No complication, 960 ang billing. Babayaran, di ba? Oh, for one reason or the other, nagkaroon ng complication, naging 1.5 million. Babayaran ba yung mahigit sa 960? Hindi.
Zero balance is applied for all patients admitted in basic accommodation.
Okay, so
if
yes.
this patient is Z-balance...
yes or no lang eh.
Wait, I will tell. If this patient is Z-benefit, they are admitted in basic accommodation and they will have no copay. It will be zero. But if they are in a pay ward, they will be charged for the complication.
Sir, do you think I'm stupid? Paulit-ulit tayo kanina na
No.
sinabi na natin na ward di ba? Sinabi na natin government hospital, nililinaw ko na eh. Sinabi ko na, kung 960 may complication, yes or no, para matapos tayo. Di ba? Para matapos tayo. Mr. President, I think the Secretary wants to go back tomorrow. Let's just go back tomorrow. Let's have every day na lang to. Simple-simple tanong ko sa iyo para matapos tayo eh. Ayaw mo sagutin eh. Di ba? Tinanong ko sa iyo, heart center. Heart center is a government.
Heart center, zero balance.
Oh, zero
DOH
balance.
hospital.
Sir, hindi mo pwedeng yes or no?
I said yes earlier.
Oh, then stop at yes. Okay? Oh, so 960, walang complication, bayad. Sabi mo yes. 1.5 million dahil nagkaroon ng complication, ha? Ano to? Indigent, nasa babayaran dahil zero billing. Okay, lipat ka ngayon sa private hospital. Naka-charity ward. Walang complication. The 660 till 960 covered, di ba? Yes, okay. Nagka-complication, 1.5 million. Magkano lang covered?
960.
960 lang.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying from the start. Yung cost mo na to doesn't include complications. So don't tell me kanina na complex kasi to kasi pwedeng may complication. Yung amount mo dito is for basic. So if you do the survey in all the hospitals, then announce to people, eto yung rules. Kung government hospital, ganito. Kung private, ganito. Ilan kami dito? Si Senator JV, nakailan amendment na yung PhilHealth? We were here then. So we know the law. We know na kulang ng pera. Hindi yun yung issue. Ang issue, chairman po kayo ng PhilHealth, hindi nyo ginagawa yung survey. And then sasabihin nyo ma-migrate, pilot pa lang, next year pa lang. So in the meantime, each and every one of our constituents na may problema, hindi makapagpagamot. Oh, now answer me. With the zero billing, ilan lang ang kasya sa government hospitals natin? Ilan ang beds ng ating government hospital? Na basic na sasabihin nyo. Total.
90% of the total public beds in the
And
DOH
how many
hospitals.
public beds do we have? Excuse me, sir. I'm asking the secretary. Excuse me. Sir Secretary, you mean you don't know that? That's basic info.
I keep changing because there are hospitals that increase their bed capacity by law. So the number is not
Sir,
a fixed number.
By law and actual, there are certain things that daily you have to know. And nasa fingertips mo yan. No coaching. I am testing the secretary precisely because I want to know if he's diligent on this or not. You don't have to give me the exact. You can give me a ballpark. Oh, so more or less, ilan ang bed capacity natin? Sir, Mr. Sergeant of Arms, pakitanggal yung naka-black na jacket. Sinabi ko na no coaching eh. Please leave the room.
So it's probably about 800.
Sir, suspended.